What's up and welcome, guys. This is the video user's guide for the folding field sharpener by Worksharp. I'm going to go through and show you how to use this awesome new product. To get started, let's open the sharpener up and reveal the abrasives. Inside, you've got a 400 grit diamond plate with a 20-degree angle guide. On the opposite side, you've got a fine ceramic plate with a 25-degree angle guide. To get started sharpening, you're going to want to hold the sharpener by the opposite handle of the diamond plate. Lay the knife on the abrasive from starting with the heel and make one pass, stopping with the tip of the knife still in contact with the abrasive. Then do the same thing on the opposite side, pulling the knife towards you. Heel on the abrasive, pull toward you, stop with the tip on the abrasive. Continue to make alternating strokes for about 5 to 10 strokes. Once you've done the diamond, now switch over to the ceramic. Again, hold it by the opposite handle, lay the knife on the guide, and make a pass from heel to tip. Again, we're going to alternate strokes. The guides are set at 25 for the ceramic to create a micro bevel, which gets to the edge faster. It's also great for touch-ups in the field. That's going to do it for this user's guide on the folding field sharpener. Thanks for watching, guys.